Hi friends, welcome to my channel. On my last trip to Toronto, something funny but frustrating happened. I accidentally reread this book that I had read 3 years ago, but you know what? I didn't remember a single thing about this book. No key ideas, no insights, nothing. It made me realize that every week I spent hours on Kindle, Audible, blogs, and podcasts, but in the end, I just don't remember a single thing. Conversion rate between information and knowledge was exceptionally low for me. It almost felt like overeating without digestion. All the information I'm consuming is not turning into something that is making me stronger or smarter. This experience has really woken me up to think systematically about how to convert information to knowledge. And today, I'm going to show you my solution, a personal information digestion pipeline. So here's the problem. Simple. Reading passively doesn't guarantee learning. Highlighting in books feels productive, but in the end, you remember nothing. That is why we need a way to summarize and convert those highlights into useful knowledge. So here's a high-level overview of the pipeline. As you can see on the top, we have multiple sources. Right now, we only support Kindle highlights as a source, but we plan to also support notes and clipboard as a source. So the vision here is clear. We want to aggregate multiple sources of data and parse them into one single unified schema, which is basically source, content, and time. And then we pass those data into OpenAI. The sole mission of OpenAI here is to generate quizzes for us. So here I have concluded two types of quizzes. One is a fill-in quiz. The other is a typing quiz. The only difference is that fill-in quiz, you have to kind of type in the word. It's really good for vocabulary building so that you can learn how to spell the words. And for the typing quiz, it's mostly Q&A questions. It's good for you to recall certain concepts that you have read in the book. After that, with these two types of quizzes, we will aggregate them and then generate Anki decks from there. To do that, there's also Python SDKs of Anki. I will show my code later. So here, let me give you a quick demo. Basically, you can set up my code following the README file. In the README, it has how to set up environment and where you should find out the Kindle highlights in your Kindle app. Basically, after set up environments, there's directory where you can put your Kindle highlights in. So there's this important thing called config.json. It defines the input path, it defines the output path. Output path is basically the Kindle's deck format. It also has this thing called batch size. The smaller the batch size, the more OpenAI API call you will do. So here's an example of the Kindle's directly reported highlights. It's very structured as you can see. The batch size is basically saying every 10 highlights, let's pass it to OpenAI to generate quizzes. And then all you need to do is to type in make generate. It will generate Anki deck for you. As you can see right now, it has generated like 109 cards. So as defined in the output path, we can check the APKG format in the output folder. So here's the Kindle highlights folder. The next thing you need to do is basically import this APKG to your Anki app. I will show you some examples here. So this is after my import. You can see Kindle highlights. I'll click through it and show you some concrete examples. Just asking questions about this book, the mythical mammoth. Yeah, if it doesn't give you some answers. I want to stress another thing about this whole project. It's really an ongoing process. I plan to use this process myself and keep iterating on it. And hopefully, if you're watching until here, you can give it a try and let me know what you think. And thank you so much for watching this.